Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, how to get started, where and when to apply, drawbacks, and the different considerations before choosing this chemical. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
Phorid is an organic drain gel cleaner. This product uses a bacterial formulation that breaks down grease and other organic materials. Phorid can be used indoors to control drain flies, phorid flies, and fruit flies. Before using Phorid, be sure to wear gloves. Phorid comes in an easy-to-use tip and measure bottle. Tip the bottle over to fill the reservoir, then tip the bottle back and use the slanted lines to measure until you have the required amount. Before applying Phorid, make sure to identify which drains have fly activity. If you are unsure, treat every drain in the house. If the drain is not used frequently, before application, let 1 to 2 gallons of warm water flow through the drain. Apply Phorid at a rate of 4 ounces per drain. Pour Phorid around the lip of the drain, making sure to get an even coating all the way around the sides of the drain. Repeat this process daily for 5 to 7 days. Apply Phorid at a time when the drains are not used for an extended period of time, such as at the end of the day or overnight. Phorid does not have a residual effect. After application, Phorid begins to break down the organic material and then will rinse away when the drain is used. Phorid doesn't kill the flies. It breaks down and removes their breeding grounds and food supply. Once the flies no longer have somewhere to live and breed, they will leave the area. Phorid is safe to use since it is non-toxic and will not harm your plumbing or garbage disposal. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. Use Phorid alongside an insect growth regulator, a bait, and an insecticide aerosol for complete control. For each insect, we've come up with the treatment method that we guarantee 100% to work. Click the card in the top right to get more information. Phorid is not an insecticide. The bacterial formulation of Phorid does not kill the flies. It removes their food source and breeding ground. Phorid also does not have a residual effect. Once it removes the organic material from the drain, it is rinsed out. If this is a concern, check out Phorid Aerosol Insecticide. Use Phorid Aerosol to kill flies on contact around the house.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.